Today's topic is how to access the electronic copy of the Small Business Taxes book that is provided as part of your registration with the Small Business Taxes Workshop. The purpose of this video is to not only show you how to access your book, but to show you also some of the special features included within the book. I'm Lisa Patterson, Program Manager for the Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Tax Workshops. So, once you've registered for the Small Business Taxes Workshop, you will receive an email with an access code for the VitalSource website. You will need to go to bookshelf.vitalsource.com in order to access your book. You'll need to create an account or log in. So if you look at my example here on the right, you'll see it says sign in, and there's a place for you to put both your email and your password. If this is your first time to use VitalSource, you'll click where it says create a VitalSource account. And if you ever forget your password, you can click forgot password on this same screen. So let's talk about creating an account. This VitalSource is used primarily for universities, for either students or professors within a university, but you can also use this for accessing your book. So when it says to create an account, it'll ask if you're an instructor, a student, or other. Please choose other. You'll enter your name and your email, the same email that you used for the workshop registration, and then you'll enter a password. Notice that I highlighted on my screen in the red box what is required for a password. It must be 8 or more characters, have an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and a special character in order for it to be validated for your account. You will also need to check the box I agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Once you've completed these tasks, you can click on this blue button right here where it says to create account. When you create the account, you will receive an email where you'll have to verify your email. It'll be coming from do.not.reply@vitalsource.com. And within that email, it'll have this blue button that you see at the bottom of your screen where you'll have to verify your email in order to access your account. Once you've verified your email, you'll have to put in your code. This is the code that you would have received once you registered for the workshop. So you'll need to click where it says redeem code, and then you'll need to enter the code from your email. And then once you've put the code in this box, you'll click this blue button where it says redeem. So once you're logged into your account and that you've redeemed your code, your website will look very similar to what you see on your screen. You can access your book here where it says recent activity. You see it in the red box on my screen. You'll just push continue reading and you'll access your book that way. You can also look here on your menu bar on the left side of your website. You'll notice I also put a red box around the words My Library. If you click on My Library, it would have all the books that you can access through VitalSource. Once your book is loaded, you'll be able to access the table of contents by clicking the little menu bar here on the left side of your screen. I've highlighted it in red with the 3 lines. Click on that and it'll have your table of contents. Once you're in your book, you'll notice that there are some special features that you can access. If you log in for the first time, it'll have a little pop-up window that talks about these icons, but they are also available at any time on the top of your book. You can see here I'm looking at Chapter 1, Business Organization, and on the top right side of the screen, you'll see the same icons that are on that pop-up window the very first time you open your book. You have a magnifying glass and that shows it says find book content, figures, and saved work all in one search. There is a document with a star, it says access your highlights, notes, bookmarks, and it even has an option there for flashcards. And then finally, the one that looks like a speech bubble, it says add, edit, and view your comments right in the margin. So here are some special features that help you navigate your book. Some important information. Make sure that you can access your book prior to the workshop. That way, if you have any difficulties, we'll have a chance to help you. If you are attending a webinar, please use a separate device for your book. You will want one device to participate in chat, polling questions, and to view the webinar. And then you'll have a second separate device for your book. If you are having problems with your code, please contact me at my email or my phone number that's listed on your screen. Or if you're having trouble accessing your account or book, you can contact VitalSource directly at their customer support phone number, 855-200-4146. Again, my contact information is 979-393-0888. My email, lisa.patterson@ag.tamu.edu. My website is listed on your screen, and for your convenience, you can scan the QR code that is on your screen, and my contact information will be loaded right into your phone. Thank you for joining me for this explanation video. We look forward to seeing you at our workshops.